Andalou Naturals, Facial Serum, SPF 30, Age Defying, Unscented, 2 fluid ounces, 58 milliliters. Product Overview Description: Nature's Intelligence Non-GMO DIY Booster with Resveratrol Q10 Youthful Vitality Broad Spectrum Protection Fruit Stem Cell Science Beauty is You Nature 82% Derived Non-GMO Project Verified Gluten-Free Vegan Cruelty-Free. Age-Defying Solutions for dry, very dry skin, dull and flaky, premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles. Fruit Stem Cell Complex and Resveratrol Q10, Super Antioxidants, boost dermal vitality as this easy-to-use SPF 30 sun protection joins your facial routine for a rejuvenated complexion. Skin's truest self is fully realized with a portfolio of nature's most potent bioactives and the innovation that captures it all, Fruit Stem Cell Science. Sheer, lightweight coverage. Wear alone or under makeup. Layer with your own moisturizer. Uses. Helps prevent sunburn. Suggested use: daily. For best protection, apply 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. Reapply as needed. Daily, alone or under makeup. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and as needed. Reapply every 2 hours or after swimming, towel drying, perspiring heavily, washing, or in the case of products applied to the lips, after eating or drinking. Use water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Sun protection measures: spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease this risk, regularly use a sunscreen with a broad-spectrum SPF of 15 or higher, and other sun protection measures including, limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., wear long-sleeve shirts, pants and sunglasses. Children under 6 months, ask a doctor. Other ingredients. Drug facts. Active ingredient purpose: octinoxate 7% sunscreen, octazolate 5% sunscreen, avobenzone 3% sunscreen, zinc oxide 0.1% sunscreen. Inactive ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, purified water, aqua, vegetable glycerin, cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, sorbent oleate desylglycoside cross-polymer, camelina sativa seed oil, fruit stem cells, Malus domestica, solar vitis, and bioactive berry complex, resveratrol, ubiquinone, Q10, Z-maize, corn, starch, Camellia sinensis, white tea, leaf extract, Aspalathus linearis, rooibos, extract, hibiscus subdurifa extract, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, tocopherol. Certified organic. Fair trade ingredients. Made in the USA with domestic and imported materials. Warnings. For external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse with water to remove. Stop use and ask a doctor if rash or irritation develops and lasts. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Protect the product in this container from excessive heat and direct sun. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.